I'm on my way to the Amsterdam right now. I won a little prize at the Postal Code Lottery. That is one of the oldest lotteries in the Netherlands. And you can win a lot of prizes, money prizes, but also small things like, discounts on certain objects. What I won is the little Dutch houses. Maybe you know the Bols. Bols is Dutch gin. This brand is over 400 years old. I'm happy with that. I'm going to pick up my house. But of course, it would have been better if I won money. But hey, next day, if you can't appreciate small things, then you're not going to be able to appreciate the big things when they come. So let me go to the page and pick up my small prize.
Guys, this is what the houses look like. They're red, ceramic. They have a LED light in them. When it's dark, it gives a special effect.
2 hours later.
This is what I need. I need 20 candles and I need the mega washi tape to decorate the candles. And then we're good to go. One more. Time to go home. Have you go to the bowl?
Yes, yes.
I'm a sweet tooth, so I bought myself an apple cinnamon muffin and then went to 00. They sell Italian bread focaccias with all kinds of fillings. And now I'm at the House of Bols. Welcome to the House of Bols, the world's first cocktail and Geneva experience, located in the heart of Amsterdam. Since 1575, the Bols brand has been a pioneer in the art of distilling. Over the centuries, it has become synonymous with innovation, craftsmanship, and of course, exceptional flavors. In this journey, we'll take you through the fascinating history of Bols, explore the art of cocktail creation, and we'll give you a glimpse into the secrets behind the iconic liqueurs and Geneva. Prepare to immerse yourself in a world where history and modern mixology come together in a sensory celebration. The history of Bols begins in the Golden Age of Amsterdam. 1575, when Lucas Bols founded his distillery. During this time, Amsterdam was a bustling hub of international trade. The Dutch East India Company brought exotic spices and botanicals from around the globe, which Bols skillfully incorporated into his liquors. Bols' innovative approach laid the foundation for an enduring legacy. Over the centuries, the company has mastered the art of distillation, creating over 40 unique liquors and becoming the name behind Geneva, an authentic Dutch spirit that predates gin. Geneva became the spirit of choice in the Netherlands and the precursor to the cocktail revolution worldwide. Today, Bols stands as the oldest distilled spirit brand in the world, seamlessly blending tradition with modernity. This rich heritage is celebrated here at the House of Bols, where every visitor can trace the journey of flavor that have defined nearly 5 centuries. Step into the Hall of Taste, where the true magic of Bols comes to life.
Even though my grandfather founded this company years and years ago, it still carries my name. In this room, you can find out exactly how and why more than 4 centuries of craftsmanship and cocktail history have brought us to where we are today. That and a little something we like to call liquid inspiration. Now, on your tour through the House of Bols, you can indulge in a world of flavor and craftsmanship. Discover everything there is to know about cocktails, liqueurs, and a very special Dutch spirit they call it. Here, drops were made into the first Bols liqueurs, as well as Geneva, the grandfather of gin. Soon after, Lucas Bols, the grandson of the founder, turned his Lotje into an international company. After that, many drops was bought. Through the distillation and extraction of exotic herbs and spices, Lucas Bols was able to create a unique collection of more than 300 liqueurs. Spirits were shipped from Amsterdam to every corner, bringing a golden age for the art of distilling, mixing, and blending. It was then that the first cocktail was born. Master bartender Jerry Thomas wrote the first cocktail recipe book, with many Bols-based cocktails that are still being enjoyed today. Drop by drop, new products and flavors emerged. We continue to work with professionals and to be part of the cocktail revolution, inspiring bartenders in over 110 countries to create new cocktail recipes every day. This drive celebrates 450 years of craftsmanship and Lucas Bols cocktail history. It is the spirit of Lucas Bols that perfects cocktails all around the world. Today, tonight, and in the 450 years to come. Add history to your cocktail.
In the House of Bols, you'll encounter a stunning array of 40 Bols liquors, each crafted with precision and passion. From fruity to herbal spicy to creamy, each bottle tells its own story. You'll need to take a moment to explore the sensory experience of flavor. You can smell, touch, and even taste some of the world's most unique combinations. Have you ever wondered how Bols achieves its impeccable flavors? The secret lies in a meticulous distillation process and a deep understanding of ingredients, perfected over the centuries. Now let's talk about Geneva, often described as a Dutch grandfather of gin. Unlike gin, Geneva has a rich malty base made from grains, giving it a distinct flavored profile. At the House of Bols, you'll learn how Geneva played a key role in the development of modern cocktails. You might even be inspired to create your own. The House of Bols is not just about history, it's a fully immersive experience. Walk through the beautifully designed mirror room, a dazzling space where light and color interact with Bols bottles to create a mesmerizing effect. Here you'll get a sense of how Bols has made an impact not only on taste buds, but also on visual culture. Next, we arrive at the Geneva room where tradition takes center stage. You can learn about the different types of Geneva, young, old, and the barrel age, and discover the craftsmanship behind every bottle. Dive deep into the history, understand its cultural significance, and appreciate how it's made. So, what happens is then you arrive in the heart of the House of Bols experience. That's a cocktail room. Here you'll witness the artistry of mixology firsthand. Professional bartenders demonstrate the techniques and flair behind crafting perfect cocktails using Bols liquors and Geneva. You can even try your hand at it, guided by experts who ensure you're shaking and stirring like a pro. No visit to the House of Bols would be complete without a stop at the Bols bar. Here you get the opportunity to enjoy a tailor-made cocktail, crafted using your preferred flavors and choices. Whether you're a fan of fruity, sour, or spicy notes, the Bols mixologist will ensure your drink is as unique as your taste. This is where history meets indulgence. Savor your cocktail while reflecting on the journey through 5 centuries of craftsmanship, innovation, and flavor mastery. As we conclude the tour of the House of Bols, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this century-old liquors and Geneva brand. It's a place where history isn't just preserved but celebrated and reinvented for modern audiences. From its roots in Amsterdam's golden age to its influence on today's global cocktail culture, Bols is a testament to the enduring power of flavor and creativity. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a cocktail connoisseur, or simply someone with a taste for adventure, the House of Bols offers something truly unforgettable. Don't forget to visit the gift shop when you're there, where you can take a piece of Bols history home with you. Cheers to flavor, craftsmanship, and the timeless spirits of Bol. Until next time, Prost! Advent calendars add to the Christmas spirit. To take the holiday cheer to extra heights, I'm going to unpack the Balea Advent calendar for you each night. I will literally do this one day at a time and share my experiences. A gift adds color to your life. Let's begin then. Enjoy life gift by gift. The next product that we're going to open in the Advent calendar is a Museumplein, and that's a conditioner for your hair. Most of the time, conditioners are used to nourish, detangle, and hydrate your hair. Thanks for watching once more, and see you tomorrow.